Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. I am Abdul Rafey. Alhamdulillah, I am an alim. I have done my alimiyat from Jamia Islamia Ishaatul Uloom, Akkalkuwa. Currently, I am a student of Dawah and English department. I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Jamia and Noble Education Academy for providing us with a wonderful platform to enlighten our brains and develop our personalities. Today, I am going to speak on Hazrat Umar Allahu Tala Anhu. Honorable guests, my respected teachers and dear audience, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, لَوْ كَانَ بَعْدِي نَبِيٌّ لَوْ كَانَ عُمَرٌ. If there were to be a prophet after me, indeed he would be Umar, son of Khattab. History does not produce men like Umar often. He was the person from whom truth flowed naturally. The Prophet, peace be upon him, called him Al-Faruq, the one who clearly distinguishes the truth from falsehood. He is the man whose name is paired with justice and truth, strength and courage. The fact that Hazrat Umar Faruq Allahu Tala Anhu is the embodiment of justice distinguishes him from the great rulers. He would apply justice to everyone equally and without hesitation, whether it is his own son Abu Shahima or Qadama bin Maz'un. At the time of appointing governors, he would make them take an oath not to ride a Turkish horse, not to wear royal clothes, not to eat sifted flour, and not to keep the gatekeeper at the door, and to keep the door open for the needy at all times. My friends, I challenge you to find one such ruler, a politician, a minister who lives a simple life, who applies justice to everyone without any discrimination, who works hard day and night, and who keeps his door open for the needy at all times. You will not find anyone even to clothe Hazrat Umar Allahu Tala Anhu. He would be very upset about the suffering of his subjects. When there was a famine in Arabia in 18 Hijri, he gave up meat, fish, and all other delicacies for himself. He distributed all the wealth of the treasury among the victims, and repeatedly said in humility that it was because of my evil deeds. When Hazrat Umar Allahu Tala Anhu became the caliph, he used to patrol the streets of Medina. One night, Hazrat Umar Allahu Tala Anhu and his companion Aslam came across a woman sitting with her kids around a fire. They were travelers and the kids were crying. After greeting the woman, Hazrat Umar Allahu Tala Anhu asked for permission to come near her. He asked, "Why are your kids crying?" The lady answered, "My kids are crying because they are hungry." She told him that she put some water in the pot and kept stirring it to make her kids think that she was preparing the food. She hoped that they would sleep while waiting for the food to get ready. The poor woman did not know that she was speaking to Umar, the great caliph, unaware that she was actually talking to the ruler. She said, "I will complain to Allah about the caliph of the time, Umar." Hazrat Umar Allahu Ta'ala quickly went away to get food for the lady. He returned with a large bag of flour and a large piece of butter. He himself prepared a quick meal for the children. When the meal was ready, he sat with the children, feeding them and playing with them until their cries turned into laughter. The next morning, the old woman arrived. Hazrat Umar Allahu Ta'ala Anhu asked her to forgive him and settle on her and her children a pension from public treasury which she received in full each month. Ladies and gentlemen, Hazrat Umar Allahu Ta'ala Anhu established the pillar of justice, al-adl. The first social policy infrastructure found in all of history was set up by Hazrat Umar Allahu Ta'ala Anhu. The concept of Baitul Mal was established by him. He would roam the streets of Medina at night to help his people. The foundation of children allowance, meaning every child gets benefits right after they are born, was introduced by Hazrat Umar Allahu Ta'ala Anhu. And it is followed by entire West today. His reforms touched every field: religious, political, administrative, social, and economic. His vision, moral, and tremendous ability to work hard day and night, humbleness, and justice for all brought a huge positive impact on the life of Muslims and non-Muslims alike. I would like to end up my talk with a few Urdu couplets. Nigae khaire bashar ka hai intikhab Umar, pur azm himmato adlo wafa ka baab hai Umar. यूं ही नहीं है विलायत का आफ्ताब उमर, है बारगाह नबूवत से फैज़ याब उमर. कहा हुजूर ने अगर होते नबी बाकी, खुदा का होते बिला रैब इंतखाब उमर. Thank you very much for listening to me with great patience. Thank you. Have a nice day.